Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Philips Touch-Up 6388 precision trimmer for you. Now this device is basically meant to remove hair from your body. You can use it to remove hair from your legs, you can use it, but precisely this is a precision trimmer, so it's good for removing hair from your face essentially. And it comes with, as you can see over here at the bottom, it says +2, so there are two attachments. So there's a comb over here, this is an eyebrow comb basically, and there's a cleaning brush included. So I'll just go ahead and open this and show you what exactly you get inside the box if you buy this device. So let me just open that. Let's see, it comes in this little cardboard thing, so I'll just get to that. So apart from the trimmer itself, you get some documents. You get a certificate of purchase from Philips, okay, and I'll just keep that to the side. You also get a user manual, and this is for the HP6388, which is this device, so I'll just keep that there. The device itself comes packaged, as you can see, like this. So this is the actual trimmer itself. All right, just put that to the side, and at the other end of the box, if you turn it around, these are the other attachments. So these are the two attachments. So this is the comb that I was talking about. So this is actually an eyebrow shaping comb. So this is an eyebrow shaping comb that comes. All right, just take that out, and at the back you get a cleaning brush. So there's a cleaning brush, and you get a battery that also comes in here. So there is one AAA battery from Philips that's included. Okay, let's put that to the side. So the trimmer itself, as you can see, this is the power button right here, and there's the cap. You remove it. So that's the trimmer itself, the precision head. There's a little knob over here. This is probably for there must be two settings over here, speed settings. The one at the bottom would be low, the one on top would be high. The combing brush, of course, goes up on top. So I'll do a separate video. I'll actually show you how to actually set this up and how to actually use this. So, but for now, that was the unboxing of the Philips 6388 precision trimmer. This is exactly what you get in the box when you buy the product, and I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.